Today we are making rolled chicken with vegetables. Carrot and green beans are rolled in chicken thighs and pan-fried with a light teriyaki sauce. This easy and healthy chicken recipe makes a great dinner option or an attractive addition to a bento box for lunch. Very lightly sprinkle salt over chicken thighs, leave for 10 minutes, and remove moisture with a paper towel. Cut carrot into 1/2 inch thick and 3 inch long, and cut off the end of green beans. Boil water in a pot, add carrot, and cook for 3 minutes. Then add the green beans and cook another 2 minutes. Season with salt, soy sauce, and mirin, and cook until half of the liquid is gone, and let them cool. Make shallow cuts on the surface of the chicken thighs. Place a plastic wrap on top and pound with a meat mallet to thin out, so it will be easy to make a roll. Place 3 strips of carrots and 3 green beans on the edge of a chicken thigh and roll from one end to the other. And pin with a toothpick and make another one. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat and start cooking chicken. Cover the pan with a lid and cook until nicely browned all around and chicken is cooked through. Every couple of minutes or so, turn the chicken so all sides are browned. When the chicken is all cooked, we are going to add the seasoning: sake, soy sauce, and mirin, and cook for a couple of minutes until the sauce is slightly thickened. And remove from the heat. Remove the toothpick, cut off the end, and slice. This is a versatile recipe. You can also use chicken breast and experiment with other vegetables like asparagus and zucchini. We hope you give this a try soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。